YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to unbox 3 sneakers that we are just going to give away to you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because obviously we do a lot of giveaways on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and apart from that, join the other giveaways. We're doing a 10,000 peso sneaker outlet shopping trip with me, a 3,000 peso sneaker gift certificate from Carousel, as well as Crep Protect sprays, limited edition with the NBA. Hit the links down below to join the different giveaways that we have. So for this vlog, it will be very straightforward. Like what I mentioned, we are going to draw the winners of the ZX500 RM sneaker. But apart from that, I actually have a surprise for you. We're going to draw 2 more consolation winners who will win more sneakers. So these are prizes that I didn't announce when I did the ZX500 RM, but I wanted to do it anyway just because I'm so thankful of the support that you guys have been giving to the channel. So let's go with unboxing. So we'll unbox 3 sneakers today. All 3 sneakers will be given away via raffle using the same mechanics. So if you commented on the ZX500 review, you are part and eligible for this, well, raffle. So let's get started. This, for the first pair, we are raffling away, unboxing, and raffling away the ZX500 RM in size 10. So as you guys can see here, it is still dead stock, brand new. If we open it up, just so you guys see what's inside, wow, my stuff is like falling all over the place. But anyway, it is a brand new dead stock ZX500 RM in the triple white colorway. It looks so cool, so fresh, so minimalistic, just so clean. I mean, this is one of the nicest, most comfortable, easy to wear sneakers that you guys can pick up and wear today. If you haven't seen my review of this one yet, link down below, watch it because this is one hell of a good sneaker. So there you have it. We've unboxed it. Now we will find out who the winner is. But before that, you know what? Let's just do all the unboxings first before we get to the winner. So this one, we will be raffling away. The next sneaker that we will be raffling away that you guys didn't know that is actually part of the mechanic is a special sneaker with Puma or whatever it is that you want to call it. So this is actually their special BTS. BTS, I think, is a Korean boy band. So BTS Turin sneaker in size 11. So this comes in that special edition BTS box with that hand with the flower, which I have no idea what it means. But if you are a BTS fan, then probably this is something that you guys love and appreciate. So let's just open it up and unbox it. It comes with a Puma wrapper with different, hands holding flowers. I think it's like the symbol of BTS, which is like the boy band. Now, I'm not a fan of K-pop. I'm not a fan of BTS, but I decided to cop the sneaker anyway just so we can put it here in this giveaway. So as you guys can see, this is the Puma Turin sneaker BTS. And I think the part that's BTS about it is that, again, that symbol that they have at the back. It's very clean. It's very easy to wear. You have a gum sole and you have that familiar Puma black symbol, black streak along the sides of the sneaker and the Puma golden logo here on the side. There is a buckle near the bottom that says 2013 0613. I have no idea what it means, but maybe the fans of the band will know what this is. So again, this is the second sneaker that we've unboxed and that we will also be giving away in this video, literally today as we draw the winners for our raffle. Now, the next sneaker that we will be unboxing and giving away is something that I've actually shown you already before. This is a sneaker from Chinese brand Xiaomi. Xiaomi is not just into smartphones, guys. They also actually manufacture a lot of things, including connected sneakers. And I say connected, this is supposed to have like Bluetooth connectivity so it can track your steps and all of that. I haven't actually figured out how to do that. I haven't actually, figured out how to make it work. So yeah, whoever is the one who wins this, good luck, figure it out, and then let me know if you're able to make it work. So, so it comes in your typical brown box. It says there, a Maze Fit or a Maz Fit. And as you guys can see, product information is here at the back of the sneaker. It says here that it has jacquard fabric. It has footbird. What the heck is a footbird? It has Goodyear outsole and stuff like that. So let's get to the unboxing. Now, I've actually done an unboxing of this already, but let's just do it anyway. So this is in Euro size 41. I think that's a size 8 or 9 if I'm not mistaken. Now, this is what the sneaker looks like. It's very easy to wear because it's plain black with a white out midsole and a black rubber outsole. Now again, the interesting thing is that the outsole is made by a tire brand called Goodyear, which I know most of you guys already know. So I think that's the cool thing about it, because it's not every day you get to see sneakers with tire tracks for its outsole. Now apart from that, yeah, it's supposed to be, I don't really know how you're supposed to connect it. And I don't know where the battery is. Maybe here at the back. But yeah, it's a connected sneaker. Whoever wins it, please figure it out and let me know how it works, because I have no idea how this thing works. We're giving away these 3 sneakers. Let's draw the winners and find out who the lucky guys are. Let's go! As you guys saw, we have our winners. For the winner of the Adidas ZX500 RM, congratulations, Jarius Tolentino. Please do hit me up on Instagram so we can figure out how I can get this pair of sneakers to you. You now own a brand new dead stock pair of an Adidas ZX500 RM in size 10. I hope you are in size 10 so you can actually wear it, because this is one heck of a really cool and fresh sneaker. The next winner we have Audrey Refuerzo. Audrey Refuerzo, you are the winner of the Puma Bts Turin sneaker. This gets sent out to you. So please do again hit me up on Instagram at Carlo Ople so we can talk about how I can get this brand new dead stock unused Puma Bts Turin over to you, size 11. I don't know if that will fit you because your name is a girl, right? So, but yeah, you can figure it out. And lastly, Lebrowny, Lebrowny. You are the owner and winner of a brand new pair of Amaze Fit connected sneakers from Xiaomi in size 8 or size 9. Congratulations to all 3 winners. Please do get in touch with me on Instagram so we can figure out how you guys can get your prizes. So yeah, guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed. Please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, because we are about to announce another giveaway in the coming days ahead. And this one, believe me when I say, you will not want to miss. Peace, God bless, wasa.